సో అండ్ స్పెషల్లీ సాంగ్స్
awesome songs.
సో మిక్కీ గారు దన్ ఫ్యాబులస్
job
చాలా ప్లెజెంట్ కూల్ అండ్ ఒక
different kind of emotions in the song. One is celebrating song, one is a kind of melodic celebration, and one is a sad thing.
So which is your favorite song?
Illipoke Shamala. Actually, I was in the shoot of the song. No.
Why?
No, I don't know. I mean,
You have a very sweet voice now.
No. I'll sing some other day. Surely, I'll sing for you, but not now.
Okay.
So that's my favorite song. Even I felt sad. I felt guilty about the song. No, they were
We'll
emotions.
hope some other time.
Yeah, some other time I'll sing for you.
Okay. So any typical situation to handle some dialogue, some scenes, in some your characterization?
Every time I hear dialogue, I start shivering. Today dialogue is there? Is there any dialogue? I start.
Sweating.
Yeah, I'll be full of tension and I'll be having stomach pain, headache, and everything because I'm so tensed.
Headache?
Yeah.
స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే లైక్ పిల్లలు మమ్మీ స్టమక్ పెయిన్ హెడ్ పెయిన్ అన్నట్టు.
Yeah, my mother used to tease me, if you had studied like this in your exams, you would have been a doctor or an engineer or something because
Nice.
I'm not used to it by hearting thing. So I started by hearting.
You were very lucky because school days ఎవరికి మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ రావు బట్
again learning the
Yes,
dialogues. So I'm totally tensed, but there were in occasions where I spell the dialogues in a different way and people start laughing there. Yeah, like that. Everybody, for Nadia ma'am also, she was telling me that it was tough, a bit tough. I need to learn, but anyway.
ఓకే.
ఇక సినిమా విషయానికి వస్తే ఎదుటివాడి గెలుపులో కాదు నీ గెలుపులో ఆనందాన్ని వెతుక్కో. ఎదుటివాడి ఆనందం కోసం నువ్వు ఓడిపోయి నీ పక్క వాళ్ళని బాధ పెట్టి గెలిచే గెలుపు కానే కాదు. ఈ ఒక్క చిన్న వాక్యంలోనే ఈ ఆ సినిమా కథ అంతా ఉంది.